you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses, 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier repairable and salvage vehicle dealership in the Northeast. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Genesis G70. We purchased this vehicle with unknown damage, but as a catastrophic vehicle, so we're thinking it was a flood damage vehicle. I don't see any signs of water. There was no water in the engine. The unit runs and drives. No rust or corrosion. A catastrophe could mean a number of things. It could have been involved in a tornado with wind debris damage, but there's not that much cosmetic damage on the vehicle. It runs really well. There's no warning lights on. So we'll do a quick inspection of this vehicle before we clean it up and sell it. Engine compartment looks good. You got some aftermarket breathers on there, some tubing, cold air intakes. It's got some modifications, not many. No water in the headlights, so I'm gonna say if there was water damage, it was very low. We'll check the inside in a minute to confirm. You take a gamble sometimes, you buy it as unknown damage and it turned out to be a really bad vehicle, a really good one. It's part of the game. Sometimes you gamble, but we do it. Got some cosmetic damage here. Taillight's got some scratches. The trunk's got some scratches here. The rear bumper's got some scratches. Probably need a cover. No water in this headlight either. Not certain that this vehicle is a flood. Could be wind debris damage, a tornado or something. Now let's take a look inside. All right. Nice cross stitching here. I see some corrosion on the bolts for the seats, but not on the seat track, so maybe there was some water inside this vehicle. Doesn't smell like water at all. If there was water in it, it was very low. Let's check this panel here. Yep, there's some corrosion there and there. So yep, I'm gonna say about water level was probably yay high, like right over the rocker. But it does start, it does drive. Most of the accessories work. There was no warning lights on. This is a super nice interior. All right, so we've determined that this is a water damaged vehicle. So the next steps are going to be pull the interior, clean the contacts, see if any modules need to be replaced, dry everything out, put it back up for sale. We'll post it on the website as soon as it's done. Thanks for watching.